We invite you to a world of opulent penthouses that redefine extravagance and sophistication. From iconic skyscrapers to historic landmarks, New York City offers a collection of breathtaking residences that embody the pinnacle of luxury. Hey there, welcome to High-End Hues. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a tour of the top 5 most luxurious penthouses in New York City. If you're someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this video is for you. From stunning city views to pristine amenities, we have it all. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of luxury. The bustling streets of New York City hum with life, embodying the fast-paced and vibrant atmosphere that the city is known for. Iconic landmarks such as Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, and the Empire State Building serve as powerful symbols of New York's rich history, cultural significance, and global influence. New York City, through its luxurious penthouses, showcases a skyline that exudes power, grandeur, and untamed ambition, mirroring the city's relentless energy and determination. The diversity and melting pot of cultures within New York City create a tapestry of languages, cuisines, traditions, places, and buildings, making it a vibrant and cosmopolitan hub that attracts people from all corners of the world. The Billionaire's Oasis, 157 Penthouse. Our first stop takes us to the iconic 157 building, where the pinnacle of luxury awaits. It has gained fame as one of the most exclusive and luxurious penthouses in the world, catering to the discerning taste of billionaires and elite individuals. This penthouse is a testament to refined taste and extravagant living, boasting floor-to-ceiling windows that frame panoramic views of Central Park and the Hudson River. The 157 penthouse offers a private escape from the bustling city below. Every detail is thoughtfully curated to create a sense of elegance and sophistication. With meticulously designed interiors, state-of-the-art amenities, and a price tag that reflects its exclusivity, this residence sets the standard for opulence. Located in the heart of Manhattan, 157 is known for its luxurious amenities such as a spa, fitness center, and a private screening room. The unit also features a stunning crystal chandelier and floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing residents to indulge in expansive views of the city's skyline. All in all, who wouldn't want to live here? The Skyline Jewel, 432 Park Avenue Penthouse. Second on our list is rising high above the Manhattan skyline, the 432 Park Avenue Penthouse. It showcases architectural grandeur and unobstructed views of the city. 432 Park Avenue was designed by Raphael Vignoli, and Los Angeles-based designer Andrew Cohen is responsible for the penthouse's interiors. The building's 30,000 square feet of amenities include a private restaurant and lounge, 75-foot indoor pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, yoga studio, sauna, steam room and massage room, screening room, billiards room, library, children's playroom, room service, on-site parking, climate-controlled wine cellars, office suites, private storage, and a full building staff. Standing tall at the height of 1,396 feet, 432 Park Avenue offers some of the best views of New York City. Its penthouse unit boasts 360-degree views of the city, making it an inviolable residence for any city buff. The unit is equipped with a private elevator and features a grand living room with 12.5-foot ceilings. This penthouse, perched atop the tallest residential building in the Western Hemisphere, is a sight to behold. Its sprawling layout, luxurious finishes, and unparalleled attention to detail make it a sanctuary for those seeking the epitome of urban living. The Art Lover's Haven, Woolworth Tower Residences. Our next destination in number 3 is the iconic Woolworth Building, where a collection of opulent penthouses beckon art lovers and connoisseurs of elegance. The Woolworth Tower Residences offer a seamless fusion of historic charm and contemporary luxury, with soaring ceilings, bespoke finishes, and sweeping views of the city's skyline. These penthouses provide a truly remarkable living experience. It offers a range of exclusive amenities and services to enhance residents' living experience. This may include a state-of-the-art fitness center, a spa, a private lounge, a screening room, and a 24-hour concierge to cater to their needs and provide a luxurious lifestyle, and ensure a seamless living experience. Every detail is taken care of to provide a truly luxurious lifestyle. The Aerial Oasis, 520 Park Avenue Penthouse. Coming in at number 4 is the 520 Park Avenue Penthouse. Located in the heart of Manhattan's Upper East Side, designed by the renowned architect Robert A. M. Stern. It is known as home to some of New York City's most iconic landmarks, including the Waldorf Astoria and the former Pan Am building, that will immerse yourself in the lap of luxury with breathtaking views of Central Park and beyond. 520 Park Avenue Penthouse has floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing residents to immerse themselves in the lush greenery and stunning vistas that unfold before their eyes, providing a serene and dreamy experience. The interior spaces of 520 Park Avenue Penthouse are meticulously designed to exude elegance and sophistication. These spaces are ideal for hosting social gatherings, intimate celebrations, or simply enjoying moments of relaxation in an exclusive and refined setting. It also offers beautifully designed common areas, such as a private lounge or a sophisticated entertainment room. These spaces are perfect for hosting social gatherings, small events, or intimate celebrations, allowing residents to entertain their guests in an elegant and exclusive setting. With its breathtaking views, elegant interiors, and exclusive amenities, it represents the true luxury of living in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in New York City. The modern marvel, 56 Leonard Penthouse. Our final destination in number 5 takes us to 56 Leonard. 56 Leonard Penthouse is an architectural wonder that has redefined the New York City skyline. It is an 821 feet tall, 57-story skyscraper on Leonard Street in the neighborhood of Tribeca in Manhattan, New York City. The building was designed by the Swiss architecture firm Herzog & de Meuron, which describes the building as houses stacked in the sky. It's the tallest structure in Tribeca. This penthouse epitomizes modern luxury with its unique cantilevered structure and innovative design. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame unparalleled views of the city, while the top-of-the-line amenities and a sleek contemporary interior offer the ultimate urban retreat. It's located in the heart of Tribeca and known for its unique Jenga-like structure. Its penthouse unit offers breathtaking views of the city skyline and comes equipped with a private lap pool, steam room, and spa. The unit also includes a grand piano and an extensive library, making it perfect for avid readers and music enthusiasts. New York City's penthouses are a testament to the grandeur and luxury that can be found in the heart of the concrete jungle. From the billionaire's oasis to the modern marvel, these magnificent residences cater to the desires of penthouse lovers, inspire educators seeking a taste of opulence, and captivate everyone's hunger for the finer things in life. If you had the chance to choose one of the top 5 most luxurious penthouses in New York City, which one would you select and why? And there you have it, the top 5 most luxurious penthouses in New York City. We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed putting it together for you. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.